All right, what's up guys? I'm gonna talk about how to do a door swap. Let's just imagine there's a door on here right now and you're curious how to take your doors off. Do what I'm about to do, just in the exact opposite order. So I just had a customer come in today. I did a door swap for him to upgrade to the side glass option. So I'm gonna put these plain doors back on my little demo model here. So forgive this, it's super freaking hot out. This seems to work for Haji. Somebody told me that only works in direct sun, but it seems to be helping, and maybe it helps get your attention for this too. So, all right, so I've removed my door. Basically what I'm gonna do first is take the strut nuts off. These are a 12, size 12 here on the inside, and it's gonna be a size 13 nut on the outside. Take those off, let them stand, hang free. Hold the door up like this, and then undo the inside of the hinges on your doors. Take your new door. I'm gonna do the same thing in reverse. Pick up my door, set my groovy groove right there. I'm gonna kind of hold it in place and then get my hinges, the bolts lined up with my holes. I'm not gonna sit here and pretend that this isn't easier with two people, but it's certainly feasible with one person, because I'm such a dum-dum and I can do this. It does take a second to get all these in at once. Bit of a game sometimes. Just like that. Now I've got 3 different hinges all in there. And then since I left these up here when I took the door off, I'm just gonna put that little nut. This is a size 8, so you will need a size 8 socket. I'm just gonna hand tighten one lock nut on each hinge. And then I'm gonna take my tool and tighten that down, and then come back and do the other 3. And if you notice, I haven't put the struts back on yet because it's way easier if I've got full range of motion of the door right here. I'm gonna take my other 3 nuts, get all the cobwebs off your hand, hand tighten, hand tighten, tool tighten. And I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to take my strut, and whichever hole I choose, I go to the far one. Put that in there. And then grab your 13 nut. I'm going to hand tighten before I tool tighten. I might not even edit this video just so you can see how quick that was to do. Then I tool tighten. So 12 on the inside, 13 on the outside. $12 on the inside, 13 on the outside. Tighten it up. And she's good to go, homie. So, and then obviously you guys know, if you've seen this before, solid doors have the benefit of the moly paneling on the inside, so you guys can run soft or hard attachments on the, I'm 7. And then that's it. Thanks guys.